Tired of scrambling to find your financial records when you need them? Let's simplify your life by showing you exactly how to print your Chase bank statements. First, head over to Chase.com and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Make sure you're on the official Chase website to protect your personal information. Once you are logged in, you will land on your account summary page. Here you will see a list of all your Chase accounts. Choose the specific account you need the statement for, like your checking or savings account, by clicking on it. Now that you're on the account activity page, look for the Statements and Documents option. It's usually located near the top or side navigation. Click on it. This will lead you to a page where all your available statements are listed. You can select the statement you want to print by clicking on the download icon, which is usually a small arrow pointing downwards. This will download the statement as a PDF file. Once the PDF file is downloaded, open it using Adobe Acrobat Reader or any other PDF viewer you have installed on your computer. Finally, click on the print icon within your PDF viewer. Adjust your printer settings as needed, like choosing your printer and number of copies, and hit print. Make sure your printer has paper and ink before printing. And voila! You now have a physical copy of your Chase bank statement. Keep it in a safe place for your records. Wasn't that easy? Subscribe for more quick banking tips.